Hello, my name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about a visa that is not well known, and I believe it is because it's not a visa which is quite straightforward, only if you make straight away the investment on the business, but because you can start a new business, but you need to prove that you made an investment of $160,000. And this is called the Business Investor Visa, in Spanish, macroempresa, which is an investment on a business that requires an investment of $160K. I wanted to talk about this visa because maybe an applicant is interested in not buying real estate but investing on a business in Panama, like buying a new business or buying a business that is already existing for many years, that is worth at least $160,000, or is willing to start a new business and grow, and once the business is worth $160,000, or actually we can demonstrate that the shareholder invested that amount of money, then it is possible to apply for a permanent type of visa in Panama. It is important that the company that is owning this business shows at least an equity capital in the registry of $160,000. And by the time the applicants apply for this visa, the shares should be paid off and released. This visa also requires that the applicant shows in how the investment was made, whether by purchase of shares or by buying equipment, investment on rental office, expenses on employees, by invoices. It's quite flexible on this side. The most important thing is that the applicant should prove how the investment was made. In addition, the business should show a business license and that the business have at least 5 employees, at least with a minimum wage salary, and all registered at the Social Security office. It also requires a business plan, a letter from a CPA that can guarantee and certify the investment, also a letter from the secretary of the corporation that also can certify the ownership. And also this visa can add dependents showing the certificate of marriage, birth certificates, and a bank account in Panama showing at least $2,000 for each dependent. Just a little warning, this visa is not as straight as the qualified investor visa, as the friendly nations, or as the pensionado visa. So this is a visa that I would recommend only if you cannot apply to those type of permits and you are really looking to invest in a business in Panama, and maybe start with a temporary and switch to this visa because you are looking to invest that amount of money in Panama. This is a type of visa where you have to rely on an attorney for the visa submission process, for the business setup, and also to rely on accountants, on a CPA, on an accountant firm that can help you managing your payroll, and also your accounting records, in order to show once you have the investment that the investment was properly made, and also to show all the invoicing and paperwork and financial statements and payment that was submitted into the bank from abroad to make proof that the investment came from out of Panama. This type of visa will give a provisional ID for 2 years, and it leads to permanent residency after 2 years. So there is another application after 2 years to apply for permanent residency. And this is it. I would like to invite you to like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in learning more about this business investor visa, you can always click in the link below for a Zoom consultation. Bye bye.